All right, this one hit home. Just a few days after helping my mom secure new life insurance coverage, she was hospitalized. And come to find out, it was symptoms of a heart attack. So it's been a while, what I do now. We talked about her term policy expiring next year. I didn't know, we just found out. Like many families, it was easy to say, well, we still got time. And I'm just glad that, and blessed to know what I know now. Because time is one thing we don't control. I mean, because of what I do, I've seen families, scramble, after the fact. And, I looked around, I tried to help them, and they weren't eligible for anything. But they weren't upset with me, but it still hurt, to know that I couldn't help them. But I'm just glad, we took action. We reviewed multiple carriers. I even applied for it myself, which I was denied in the past. So I recently got a policy. And my mom, she was able to get approved as well. And then days later, not even a week after getting approval, the unexpected happened. I'm out of town. She calls me up. She drives herself to a hospital. Whole nother story, but not to a hospital, but the medical place told her to drive herself. Anyway, bottom line, if we had waited, there's no way a carrier would have approved coverage after these events. This isn't sales, this is real life. I tell people what I do now. Yeah, I'm out of the military. That's what I did for 17 years. So now I do this. And I have a passion for what I do, and I love it. And, I approach people. I get ghosted. I get, let me think about it. I'll handle it next year. I'm not trying to sell something. I'm just trying to bring knowledge to them. But until people can relate or it hits home, they don't grasp the importance of my mission. But the truth is, if it doesn't feel urgent, people aren't going to take action. But then it's too late. We can't control the inevitable, but we can prepare for it, so I just need people, you need to ask yourself, are you and your loved ones protected? Or are you just hoping that tomorrow's guaranteed? Because people talk about tomorrow's not guaranteed. We got to live for today, this, that, and the third. But your actions speak louder than those words. I'm just glad that, and I've always been a man of my word, I took action. So if this hits home, y'all, DM the word protect. Let's talk before it's too late. I want to definitely thank all the people for the love and prayers out there. I've been trying to carry stuff for a while, but this is something I just had to share. And thank you all for the support. Love y'all. Stay blessed.